Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor Masterminds. Today morning I have received a mail from one of the students who asked me, Sir, do you recommend us to join for study hours and revision exams batch or crash batch? So what the simple answer I told is, if your conceptual clarity is good, then it is better to join for study hours and revision exams. In my opinion, majority of the students will be already good at concepts. Even if they are not good at few concepts, they can comfortably come and join for study hours and revision exams, and they can prepare those areas on their own, because majority of the concepts in CA can be prepared on your own. So, and frankly speaking, we will be able to get more fee if you come and join for crash batch rather than study hours and revision exam batch. That too, the role of management, the duties to be done by management will be more in study hours and revision exams batch rather than crash batch. So in case of crash batch, we need not monitor much, but in case of study hours and revision exams batches, we need to monitor a lot. Even then, we are recommending you to join for study hours and revision exams rather than crash batch, because for us the most important thing is more number of students should get qualified. So what we noticed is more number of students are getting qualified through revision exams and study hours rather than through crash batch. That's why we recommend you to better join for study hours and revision exam service. If at all you don't want to come and attend the study hours physically, you can stay to our home and you can write our revision exams through a service called Masterminds Test Series. And please do install our Masterminds online classes Android app. If you belong to iOS platform, then install an app called Class Plus and enter the organization code as MZGUN. You can find a large number of useful videos like rapid revision batches. That means in just a matter of 20 hours, we will be revising the entire subject. For all the subjects of CA Inter, rapid revision batches are already available in our app. And even for some of the subjects, regular batch videos are also available. They are all newly recorded. They are not old videos, they are newly recorded videos, and they are not crash batch videos, they are regular batch videos. And even if you are interested to attend the crash batch coaching classes for one or two selective subjects, even you can find them in our Masterminds online classes app. Please do install that app. If you join for study hours and revision exam service and still you want to attend coaching classes for one or two selective subjects, then you have multiple options with Masterminds. First of all, you attend study hours and revision exams physically. Along with that, you can physically listen to the classes of crash batch of one or two selective subjects of your choice in Guntur. Alternatively, if you want to join in Masterminds Test Series service and you would like to prepare from home, then you can attend crash batch coaching for one or two selective subjects of your choice using Zoom platform. That means whatever the classes being conducted physically, they will be live telecasted to you through Zoom platform, and you can attend those classes right from your home. And the most important alternative we have is, on daily basis, whatever the classes we are going to record in the physical crash batch, we will be uploading the same in our Masterminds online classes app, and you can purchase the subject of your choice and start watching the videos without any human intervention. So just for the sake of attending coaching for one or two subjects, you need not attend crash batch for the entire group. You better join for study hours and revision exams and follow this approach, and you start attending coaching classes for one or two selective subjects of your choice. And one more beauty of our Masterminds online classes app is, you can even find videos of few chapters. Just by paying even 100 rupees, you can even purchase a course of a particular chapter. That much flexibility is already there in our app. All the best.